All the water is gone out of the Venetian, where you would normally get a gondola ride. Yeah, probably because they were selling stands and they covered up the canal so that they can put these seats here so people can sit and watch Formula One. I'll show you some of the construction. They're just going to store all of this and put it back next year. I think we've got 7 more years on the contract. This is a very rare sight to see, an empty waterway at the Venetian. No water here at the Venetian. No gondola rides. Oh, they'll put the water back. It'll probably go back in tomorrow. They're going to work pretty fast, but I can see why. I can see under one of the tunnels here, there's a bunch of wires and cords that they're running. If you look straight forward, you'll see all those wires. They probably needed that for TVs and prompters. So it's a rare sight. One more view of that, because I doubt you will see that again. If you guys haven't done so already, please go ahead and give this video a like. It shows a nice signal to YouTube. I appreciate it so much. It's a lovely Sunday night in Vegas. I see what they've done. So the grandstands that they put here go into the canal. So if you want to look, I'll show you the base of the grandstands. See that? All that red? That's the base of those grandstands right there. That's why the water's gone. So last night we had Beyoncé, Jay-Z, Ben Affleck, Terry Crews. Any other celebrities that anyone saw via television at Formula One? They're getting everything taken apart here in Vegas. It started about 5 minutes after the race. They started pulling down all of the construction equipment to open up the roads and get everybody back up and running here in Vegas. It will take a few weeks, but this is how it looks on the Las Vegas Strip on a Sunday night, one day after Formula One. Another look at the new Planet Hollywood guitar and the old Mirage. Last night was a complete parking nightmare. My family had prepaid parking. When they got to the prepaid parking, they turned them away. That was paid for online, which was horrible, and then had to go and park somewhere way down, take a tram, then walk. So probably just wait till you get here and Uber or Lyft wherever you're coming from to Formula One. I took a ride every night that I went to the Virgin Hotel and I walked from there. I think everybody's worn out from last night. Wholesome Jeff. It's been a long week. This is my 5th night on the Las Vegas Strip in a week, so it's been a long week. They're probably going to go ahead and start changing out the wording and maybe putting in some new LCD screens where Planet Hollywood is going. I remember seeing parts of the Mirage on that marquee, and now I see nothing. See the track lighting where Formula One raced through last night. The strip looks a little darker, or as Wholesome Jeff would say, low energy. It's probably because all the lights are off. Give you a beautiful view down the Las Vegas Strip, Treasure Island, Resorts World, and Palazzo. Well, it looks like, yeah, I'd say it's a quiet vibe as well.
To earn player payback rewards, you need to have a rewards card. If you don't have a card, our staff personnel can
We're in front of Harrah's.
You don't even need to leave your seat.
Again, that's the old Mirage marquee. It used to have a picture of Siegfried and Roy on it. For so many years. I'll turn here and give you a view of the Mirage. You can still see a few remnants of the sign that says Mirage. Walking by Harrah's, you can smell the smoke coming straight out of the casino. Where are the casinos letting people park for their normal rates? Um, well, parking is 3 hours free at the Wynn, and other places have 3 hours for free with local ID. MGM has rewards, so some of their guests can park, and possibly Caesars, but typically it's 3 hours for at least locals, and then they charge, $20 to $25 during the week, and they charge $30 on the weekends. So you can see Harrah's and Caesar's Palace. Give you a look at the farm shops. I think the opposite side of the street has a lot less people. It's a little bit harder to get around over on that side because that is the side where the track is on the Las Vegas Strip. Oh. When we had rain the other day, there was some flooding right here. This is kind of the low part, right when you go into Harrah's, and that whole under part was flooded. Yeah, the hangover is great. Yeah, I think they have some new towers at Caesars, and they have some, they update occasionally all these hotels. Here's a look at Harrah's. Yeah. So I have a poll question. Who all can still believe that Donnie is still performing here at Harrah's? From Donnie and Marie. Give a thumbs up. Put a thumb in the chat if you think he should still be performing, or a thumbs down if you think maybe not. I mean, more power to him, but it feels like he's been around a long, long time. But Donkashang, right? So was Wayne Newton. He performed for years. Yes, Donnie Osmond. It used to be Donnie and Marie. Now, this is a fun experience if anybody is interested in dancing to 70s disco. Speaking of Donnie and Marie, I went to the opening of the disco show and was able to go with a media pass, and it was super fun. If you ever want to see what it is, like at Disco Show, you can watch the video on my channel. It's real fun and groovy. Wayne Newton is an icon. You should have seen him during COVID. He rode his bicycle with his family down the Las Vegas Strip. That was really, really cool. That's the entrance to the Disco Show. $99. Does anybody know what 99 stands for on the Disco Show doors? If you don't, watch my Disco Show video and you'll see. But it's a reference to a very special club. We're going to take a walk through the Linq Promenade. It's going to get a little loud in here, so if you have any questions, ask them now. Seems like where the party is, guys, and the people. Watch my Disco Show video. It's fun and I think you'll like it. And I do explain what the 99 means. Got some Chippendales here. Hi guys. You guys go see the Chippendales when you're in Las Vegas? Some more Chippendales. Those are some really nice guys. They gave me some beads the other night. Very fun and friendly. Young guys there. Got it. Did you win? I actually saw them playing fun beer pong at O'Shea's, so that was pretty fun. Well, whiskey can do that to you. Or you can make some really good decisions. Hi, Big Boy Productions. We're at the Linq. This is the day after Formula One. We're seeing what it looks like. We saw some of the deconstruction of the lighting and the K-rails. And now we're walking the Linq.
Alors,
Hello.